Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. Welcome. Hey, Richard. Welcome, Richard. Welcome. Welcome. Hey, Myra. Welcome, Myra. Welcome, guys. Let's go over the markets. All right. Equity markets was up today. So the Dow was finished up, right? A rocky start, but finished up for the day. All right. NASDAQ was up. All right, hold on one sec. Nasdaq was up, S&P was up, and also the Russell was up right here. All right, let's take a look at daily time frame. All right, we finally, guys, finally got a buy signal on the Russell. All right, so here Russell gave a buy signal today. So we've been waiting for a buy signal on the Russell right here. Buy signal came in today. We already have buy signals on the Dow. So you guys know this. All right, so buy signal on the Dow, right? Clearly in the markup phase, really, really good price action. All right, buy signal here, holding firm. All right, that's on the Dow. All right, NASDAQ, same thing, buy signals, holding firm. So no major concern in equity markets. All right, here's the NASDAQ right here. All right, holding firm. And the S&P also holding firm, which is right here. S&P right here. If I can just grab it here. All right. All right. Hold on. There we are. All right. Buy signal here. Just amazing. Good price action. Really good price action. Okay. VIX is still low. All right. So we'll take this on the VIX. So we have low volatility. All right. In equities, remember, we need low volatility for the equity markets to move higher. All right. So that's at 13. VIX is at 30. Remember, if it's above 20, that's a concern for equities. So it's 1340 right now. So that's good. All right. Most of the sectors are up. All right. Most of the sectors are up. We only have two sectors that are down right now. All right. So tech and telecom. All the rest are up. All right. We had a couple of trades in the US 30. All right. Trades in the US 30, NAS and S&P. All right. Let's take a quick look at those. All right. Here is the US 30. We had a buy signal that came in here. We call this buy signal. Now, this was rocky. All right. So those of you who took this trade, I'm sure it was had some anxiety with this trade. All right. But it held. All right. All right. So we had some candles came all the way down here. These were red, turned red and white, and finally closed white. So you guys know white. That's still good news. We can hold on. All right. Now we've got green candles. They're holding. The goal now is to continue to hold and break through resistance, which is right here. All right. So remember, this is where the sellers came in before. This is your markdown phase, buy signal. Right, green candles, we heading back up. On the daily time frame, buyers are still in control. All right, so daily time frame looks good. We just need follow through. All right, that's on the NAS. That was on the I'm sorry, on the US 30. Here is the NAS. Same thing on the NAS. Here's your markdown phase. This is where sellers came in before. Buy signal here, and we are above resistance on the NAS. And again, good price action on the daily time frame. So we know the trend is absolutely up. All right. So US 30, NAS 100 looks good. S&P 500, same thing. Right. Here's your markdown phase, small markdown phase. Call this a pullback retracement. Buy signal here, holding firm above resistance here. And look at that price action here, guys. Really, really good price action. Good markup phase here. All right. So US 30 did really, really good. Hey, cryptos. All right. Our Bitcoin traders, crypto traders, right? Bitcoin, guys, made its all-time high today. All right. Now, it did not close, right? Did not close but made it all the way to its all-time high at 60. What was that? Just an amazing run here. Quick run, too. Made it a high of 64,000, guys. 64,100 right here. All right. On Bitcoin. This is where it closed before. We are right here. Based on this price action, guys, there's a good chance we'll break through this resistance here. And remember, Bitcoin is following the equity markets, and we know we're making all-time highs on the Dow and on the S&P. All right, so great price action here on the weekly. Right, all right, near all-time highs. Right, previous trades on Bitcoin, we've done well. All right, first buy signal came in at 28,000 and change, closed here at 40,000. Second buy signal 49,000, and it's holding right now at 61,000. So a bit of a pullback, but no concern there with Bitcoin. And Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash is right behind. All right, so great moves in crypto. Remember, Bitcoin, we can use Bitcoin as a barometer for the entire crypto market. So as Bitcoin moves higher, you guys will notice the rest of the cryptocurrencies will move higher as well. All right. All right. So let's take a look at current positions. You guys must probably noticed we had a lot of action last night in Forex. Right. We send out a lot of alerts. Even this morning, right? We had some action, send out some alerts. Okay, so let's take a look at those current positions. All right, for Forex, and we'll start with Monster Scalper. Okay, so we had a few long positions. All right, US CHF, JPY, so Swiss yen. Buy signal was here, right? Broke support, red candles. We saw a lot of big moves last night in the yen pairs. So we should be out of this trade here. All right. We should have at a minimum be out here. All right. But we should be out on this red candle here. Sell short signal here. We should absolutely not be in this trade all the way down here. All right. So Swiss yen, CHF, JPY should be out of that trade there. Okay. Euro yen. All right. A really good trade here. All right. We should be out of this trade also. We've got a sell signal to close the trade. Buy signal was here, right here. Broke support, red candle, sell signal. This white arrow here, we should be out of this trade. Not a bad trade here. This was for about a little over 250 pips on this one here. So euro yen, close the trade, please. All right. So we should be closing those long trades. All right. In the yen pairs. Pound yen, another great trade, guys. Look at this. All right. Previous trade, buy signal here, sell signal here. All right. 182. All right. 187 for about 500 pips. Next trade here, right? Pound yen, buy signal was right at 187, close at 190. So that's another 300 pips. Perfect trading. Absolutely perfect trading. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here on the break of support. We should be out of that trade. Total 2 trades here, 800 pips, guys. Great trade. Great job, pound yen. All right, dollar yen. All right, another great trade with dollar yen. All right, so you guys notice these yen pairs are closing. Now we send out some signals to go short. All right, so USD JPY, 2 trades. First one, buy signal 142, sell signal 147 for about 500 pips. Next buy signal right here, 148, closed here 150, so about 200 pips. All right, good buy signal. Buy signal here, broke support, red candle, sell signal. Sellers are coming in, so close the trade. All right. All right, so no more longs right now in the yen pairs. All right, Euro Aussie, that's still holding. Buy signal here, broke resistance, still holding. Pound Aussie. right? Buy signal here, holding right here. We need to get past this resistance here, okay? All right. And then yeah, this whole area here is resistance. Buy signal here. We need to move higher there. Okay. Aussie, New Zealand. Aussie, New Zealand. Let's draw this out. All right. Here is your markdown phase, guys. Right here. Remember, bring in your lines, your trend lines. Okay. All right. Here's your markup phase. Here's your buy signal. Target, first target, all the way back up here. That's the goal, to get back up here. Buy signal here. Big candle. Look at this. Nice confirmation here. Big candle. Buy signal here. Right. Moving up nicely there. That's Aussie, New Zealand. Now we've got some dollar pairs. Right. Let's take a quick look at the dollar index. All right, buy signal here. Look at that. Buyers are coming in back in the dollar index. All right, so, all right, green candles. All right, it's currently up. All right, so let's take a look at the dollar pairs. All right, USD, HUF. All right, here we are. If you guys are looking for an opportunity, right, you might find opportunities in the dollar pairs. Okay. And we'll take a look at stocks too this evening, equities, and we'll look for some new opportunities in equities. All right, here's your markdown phase, your pullback, right? We'll call this a pullback, right? We're getting a discount there. And here we are, right here. Break resistance, buy signal here, and here we are right there. All right, so USD HUF looks good. All right, USD CNH. All right, we should be out of this trade here. Okay, red candle here, just close the trade. Nothing here, guys. Nothing here. All right, so USD CNH, USD CNH, close that trade, and we've got new down here. That's not good. So close the trade. All right, USD HKD. All right, now, this is just a breakout trade. All right, so just a breakout trade and buy signal here. Let's move this higher, right about here. All right, buy signal here, still holding. All right, we're hoping that the dollar group will help move this trade. Dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. All right, let's do this here. All right, here's your markdown. Markdown, we'll call this a markdown. All right, markup, just a breakout, breaking resistance here, and we're all the way up here, right? This buy signal here failed, this one failed, so hopefully this one stays and keep moving higher. All right, so that's dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. USD NOK, USD NOK, buy signal here. This one is holding. Now, these are new trades, guys. All right, so we're hoping the dollar holds and moves higher there. Okay. Selling started right about here. All right. Markdown phase. Make sure you bring in your trend lines. All right. Markup phase. Buy signal right here. Looks good so far. Let's bring that target up a little higher. Right up here. All right. You can bring it here, but guess what? We're getting past that area, so target is right up there. Okay. All right. So that's it for the dollar pairs. Keep an eye on the dollar pairs, guys. Euro SEK. All right. So let's do this. All right. Here's your markup. Decent markdown. All right. I'll always keep a few on here so that you guys know where to draw your lines. All right, so here's your resistance here. This is where sellers came in right here, guys. So we know this area here, 11.34, that's where sellers are sitting. They came in here, came in here, came in here. So our goal, buy signal here to get back to this area and hopefully right, we can win that battle and push that price higher. Okay. All right. That's EUR CZK. That's it for the longs in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at the shorts now. Shorts, we have a few new shorts in the yen pairs. Now, you guys, you see what's been happening with the yen pairs. We've had really two cycles with great trades. So any shorts in Monster Scalper might be short-lived, okay? But we'll take them, but just know that wouldn't go in, don't go in heavy. All right. So but you can still get some opportunities. So we've got 3 shorts right now. And if the selling continues, hopefully we'll get some more yen pairs to go short. So here's your markup phase. All right, so we call this one, here's your markdown phase right here. All right, sell short signal is here. That's holding. All right, next target on this one is, let's bring the target. Let's try right here first. All right, and then we've got further support down here. All right, but we'll leave it here for now. All right. This is where sellers failed right here and right here. So this will be a concern right here. That's Aussie yen, New Zealand yen. All right, same thing here. Good short going here. Here's your markup phase. Mark down. And the target is right here. Here's your target right here. Support right here. Okay. All right. Good price action there. The last one. All right. CAD yen. CAD yen, same thing here. So keep an eye on CAD yen. It is pulling back a bit. All right. Target is here. All right. First target right here. Second target. Get through down here. Okay. These yen pairs are due for a pullback. Now, we said that the last time and they kept going higher. So just follow your phases, follow the price action. All right, we have long positions in Forex Dominator. Remember, we trade Forex Dominator, longer time frame. All right, daily time frame there. All right, EUR-TRY. All right, that's breaking out right here. USD-TRY continuing to move higher there. We added some euro pairs. All right, so Euro Aussie. All right, Euro Aussie. I just bring in your lines. Okay, so markdown phase, markup, buy signal here. Right, looking to break out. That's Euro Aussie. Right, so keep an eye on these Aussie pairs, guys. Right, look for some opportunities. Same thing here. Euro CAD, markdown phase, buy signal. All right, resistance is right here. All right, a bit of a pullback, but still holding. All right, Euro Swiss looks good. Good markdown phase here. All right, we'll draw in this one here. Really good markdown phase, guys. All right, now if this fails, no big deal. All right, find another. All right. All right, so markdown phase. Here's your markup phase. Buy signal here. First target is right here. All right, here where buyers failed before. So here we are. We need to get past this resistance right here. All right, if we can get past their next target, and it looks like the euro pairs want to make a move here. Okay, so that's EUR-CZK. All right, just ride it up, guys. Stay with it. Ride it all the way up. All right, EUR-CZK. All right, good trade going here. We've been in this one already. Buy signal here. Resistance was right here. Broke resistance. Moving up nicely there. EURN okay. All right, EURN okay. Let's do this. All right, let's move this here. Bring this down. Now we've got good support here. All right, let's draw that line here. Not quite a V. All right, but all right, we'll do this. We'll do this here. And support right here. All right, all this here is support. All right, target is here. Again, this is where sellers are sitting here and here. Okay, EURN okay. Euro, Euro ZAR. Now the ZAR, they've been tricky, but they will move. So we're just hoping that this one breaks out here. All right, resistance is here. Bring that right here. Okay, buy signal here. And a lot of consolidation, messy consolidation, but we just need a breakout. All right, so we just need a breakout, right, out of this little triangle right here. Okay, but we're hoping that Euro ZAR will move with the group. All right, we've got some dollar pairs. Dollar pairs. So USD CAD, dollar CAD, buy signal here, that's holding. Dollar Swiss, buy signal here, that's holding firm. Looking to test resistance here. And we go through all of these, guys. You don't have to trade, or just find your spot. Okay. All right. USD CNH, that's holding. USD CZK, buy signal is here. Right. Looking to break out. This should break out soon, hopefully. USD DKK, buy signal here. White candles. We just need buyers to come back in. Green candles. It's holding right here. Resistance is right here. USD HUF, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. There we are, right here. Breaking near-term resistance. Ultimate resistance is here. And then, boy, if we can get up here, that would be great. All right, but remember, one candle at a time. USD SGD. All right, buy signal here, just holding green candles, right? Sellers are definitely sitting here, here. All right, so trade is still holding, but just keep an eye on it there. Okay. All right, we have some yen pairs. So CAD yen in Forex dominator buy signal here. We have sellers are sitting here. All right, we had a bit of a pullback. We do need this green candle here. Buyers are coming in. We need to break out of this area here, guys. Okay. But remember, we've got some pressure on the yen pairs in Monster Scalper. Euro yen. All right. Buy signal here. Hold in. Here is your markdown phase. Right here. That's your V. All right. Pound yen. All right. Buy signal here. That's holding. Again, these yen pairs are under pressure. So keep an eye on that. Pound ZAR. All right, that's in the wrong place there. Let's move this. Hold on. All right, pound ZAR. Let's bring it here with the pound pairs. Pound ZAR. We'll remove it from here. All right. Remember I said ZAR pairs, tricky trading. We're looking for a breakout. A lot of consolidation in here. Okay, so let's bring in our lines. Definitely don't go heavy if you're gonna do anything with ZAR until it breaks out. Very, very light. Okay, very light. All right, so here is it moving higher lows. All right, buy signal here. We just need a breakout. We got to get past this area. It will move. See this right here? So the ZAR pairs will move once they break out. Okay. All right, but it takes some time to break out. All right. HKD that's holding. SGD that's holding. Dollar yen, that's holding. All right. Pound Aussie, right? That's holding here. Pound Swiss, all right. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. A decent markdown phase there. And then we mentioned pound ZAR already. All right. No shorts. We do not have any shorts in Forex Dominator. Okay. All right. On Sunday, we'll take a look at futures. All right. And energies and bonds. So let's go right into equities. And if we've got time, we'll look for opportunities in equities. Okay. All right. We had an update, but it was a rocky start. So we're hoping that most of these stocks will um, held, which they have been. They've been holding. We'll go through this quickly. If we have any white candles, we'll continue to hold, right? Market is still strong. Buyers are in control, right? The Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, right? Even the Russell, right? Finally gave a buy signal. So no major concern with equities, okay? Let's go through these. Okay, so ALLO, that's holding nice buy signal here. Look at that buy signal. All right, all green candles heading to resistance here. I think we have a second. Let's bring in a second resistance level up here. All right, so this is where sellers came in also up here. Okay, so buy signal here, right at what's that? 362, trading at 491. Decent trade going there. All right. All right. AMRN, close that trade, please. All right. So good markdown phase, but boy, right, we were hoping that would get all the way back up here. It would have been a great trade, but it closed today. Okay. So buy signal was at 84 cents, closed today at $1.11. Red candle broke support, sell signal, white arrow here. So close the trade, please. AMRN, close the trade, please. All right. All right. ATAI, buy signal here, holding nicely, moving up nicely there. All right, BLUE, that's a new one. We'll bring in these lines later. Buy signal here, white candle, just keep an eye on it. All right, CDMO, that's holding. All right, target all the way up here. All right, CDXS. All right, good move, guys. This is a new one we added. All right. All right. So buy signal or buy signal came in at 338, trading at 465. What's that? 3 days of buying, guys. Great trade going there. Okay. Good trade. Target is up there. DNMR, buy signal here. Look at this markdown phase. Beautiful markdown phase. Buy signal here, right? Moving higher there. Early stages there. EBS, same thing. Buy signal here. Really good buy signal. Look at the risk reward on this, guys. This stock fell from $44. $44. All right. Our buy signal came in at $2.79, trading at $3.23, and good support. Good support down here. All right. At $1.60. Look at the upside potential. All right. We love stocks like this. Right. Low risk, high return. All right, FULC, buy signal here. Good trade going. It's continuing to hold for 57, trading at 1022. Good trade. And we have several targets. Look at that all the way up here. So it's gone through the first target, gone through the second, right? Needs to get through third, fourth, and hopefully to the fifth. Okay, good trade going there. All right, this is good. All right, buy signal here, blue arrow, moving up nicely there. All right. KPTI, all right, good markdown phase, buy signal here, white candle. I would keep an eye on it. Anytime we've got white candles, guys, pay close attention. Sellers could come in. All right. LYEL, buy signal here on a straight break of resistance. All right, just a straight break of resistance. Buy signal was right here, trading up nicely there. All right. MRVI, good markdown phase. Buy signal here, holding. This one here, the concern is it could fill that gap. Okay, it could fill that gap. So let me show you guys here. All right, here's your markdown phase. All right, that looks good. Your markup phase is right here. Remember your 4 market phases. All right, buy signal here, but we've got a gap. I know it's hard to see. This is where it gapped up. All right, so this is risky because traders will fill that gap. All right. Richard, what time does the alerts go out? We'll send out, like if we find opportunities in the evenings like this, all right, we'll send those alerts out to those particular traders. So if you trade in, if we have monster scalper alerts, we'll usually send those right after. All right, Stock Boss and the other systems, we'll send them right after the class. However, if we find, like we did today, right, market was very active, right? So we find opportunities within the day, we'll send those also, but mainly in the evening after we're done. And you should have those. I usually send text, WhatsApp alerts. Okay. All right. Good question. Say NGM. And if we do stock boss like this here, stock boss, we send those out to our stock boss traders. We usually do it after the class. All right. NKTX buy signal all the way down here, guys, at 189, thereabout. Breaking resistance 1208. Good trade going here. Next target 1556. And hopefully it just keeps moving higher. Great trade going here. Right. Note, Anthony, here's your note here. It's still holding. All right. All right, don't close it. Don't close it. Still holding here. All right, buy signal here. Near-term resistance. And then we can get a if we get a push, right? We could break near-term resistance and see them come in. All right. All right. All right. You're welcome, Rachel. You're welcome. All right. NUVB buy signal here. Trading nicely. Just remember, sellers are here. Look what happened before. So keep an eye on it here. Good trade, good profit, but keep an eye on it there. All right. This one here, gap down, but it's got a green candle here. Keep an eye on it. No red candles, so we don't have to close it, but keep an eye on it. This is holding. All right. This is holding. And this right here, RNA, good trade going here, guys. Okay. Look at this markdown phase. Beautiful markdown phase. We need sellers. We need sellers to be able to buy from. All right. Sometimes we forget, right, that we need sellers. We need the price to come down so that we can buy. All right. Great trade here. So the buy signal or buy entry was at 771, right around there. And gapped up today, closed at 1830. All right, nice gap up here. Hopefully they don't feel that gap. But remember, sellers are sitting here. So we got to get to this area there first and hopefully pass it. If we see sellers coming in, then hey, we'll get a sell signal or red candle and close the trade. Otherwise, we stay in. All right. This is a reaccumulation trade right here. TAL talk. All right. TALK. All right. Buy signal here. That's moving up nicely here. XFOR. XFOR in stock boss. Good markdown phase. All right. Good markdown phase. Let's draw it. All right. This is a beautiful markdown phase. And we've got really good support, guys. All right, so it's formed its bottom there, so good chance it will move higher. All right. All right, so buy signal here, and the idea is we'll get a bounce back all the way to where the selling started right here. All right, buy signal 94 cents. If it gets to this area, guys, that's $1.87. That's 100% if that happens. All right, good support down here. So this is our floor. So we come right at our floor here. Good support here. Okay. All right. So that's it for stock boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. I don't think we'll add any positions this evening. All right. We'll look at stock boss and Bullmaster, heat seeker. All right. So Bullmaster, we only have a few for Bullmaster here. All right, ESTA, good markdown phase. Look at this, guys. All right. Now, it's not a guarantee. All right, we know that, right? But boy, when we've got selling like this, and we've got really good resistance like this here, and we got buyers to come in like this on a buy signal, no guarantee, guys, but there's a good chance that that price will get all the way back up here. All right, and I mean it's just moving really nice, right? Gapped up here, right? So the goal is to get it all the way up here. The more selling we have, right, the longer that markdown phase is, the better chance we have for that price to get all the way back up here, right? And as you guys do this more and more, you'll notice, right? These are really high probability trades, and that's what we're looking for. All right. Very good. Now, not all of them will be set up quite like this, but when you find these, right, these are some good opportunities. All right. Not a guarantee that they'll make it all the way back up, but it happens a lot. All right. CLS, buy signal here. All right. All green candles moving higher there. Reaccumulation phase, guys. Look at that. That buy signal was right at 30, trading at $42. Okay. Great trade here. All right. Just a few more. MKSI. Look at this. Here is your markdown phase. Here is your selling. All right. Let those sellers come in, push that price lower. We'll wait for a buy signal. This one here, buy signal was here, reached its resistance. Sellers came in, got out. Buy signal here, reached resistance. Right? Sell signal, sellers came in. This one here, buy signal. This time, guess what? Broke through resistance. Right here, right? This is where sellers came in before. Pay attention to your charts. Sellers came in here, here, here. Here we are. We're breaking resistance. Now, this is an area here. This is the last chance here. Right here is where we got stopped before. Here, right? This is the last chance. If we can make it past this area, guess what? Buyers are now in control. And then we have this target here. All right. So buy signal on this one was $85. Close today at 122. Right. Next target all the way up here. Okay. Good trade going there. All right. TOL. All right. TOL. Buy signal here was a break of this resistance. Buy signal was at 111. Fairly new trade, trading at 114 right now. Previous trade did well. Okay. TOL. All right. HOOD. D. All right. Buy signal came in. We were concerned about this one because it gapped up and buy signal came right above resistance here. All right. So our buy signal was right at 13 and change, moving up nicely. Look at this. All right. And trading at 16.31. All right. Good trade going there. HOOD. COIN, buy signal was here, break of resistance, pull back, right? Holding nicely above resistance. We want these trades to hold above resistance, okay? Right? If they hold above resistance, we know buyers are still in control, okay? Buy signal here, HRHS, right here. Buy signal right here, holding, right, breaking resistance there. All right, ALGN, buy signal was here, holding. All right, XPRO, buy signal here. We've got a white candle here, guys. It is currently holding the trend line. The market is still strong, but I would definitely keep an eye on it. All right, so it's holding the trend line right here, right here, right here, right here. We need buyers to come in. If it breaks that trend line, we get a red candle, all right, or sell signal, close the trade, okay? Until then, we can continue to hold. XPRO. LQDA, that's holding right here. Good previous trade. Bought here, sold here, bought here, still holding. Purple support and resistance, though, guys. All right, so keep an eye on that. All right, so we're getting lower highs, lower lows. SNDX, right? That's holding right there. All right, so those are the current trades in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Um, we'll run, and what I might do, I might go through these over the weekend, and depending on what we see in Stock Boss, um, Heat Seeker for Stock Boss and Bullmaster, we might send those out. It's just so many to go through, and we don't have enough time. Yeah, but I might do these over the weekend, depending on how many we've got. So Stock Boss, all right, let's run this. All right, we've got 99. That's a good bit. So here is Heat Seeker. We just ran it. Bullmaster, let's see here. Bullmaster will definitely have more, usually have more than, okay, so 130. All right, so depending, it's been a long week, but depending on, and we've got this weekend, what do we have? We have beginners webinar. And remember, guys, come to the Traders Roundtable on Fridays. I know it's Friday. We were doing those for an hour, right? And I know it's Friday. No one wants to do this on Friday after work, all right? But we've moved it to half an hour. You guys can always get some good tips, all right? So, and sometimes we'll have some of our experienced traders come on, all right? So, we've moved it from we did it from 5 to 6 an hour. Now it's only half an hour, so we'll be in and out. Okay, so that's the round table, especially for traders that's with us, but they're new. Like Richard, you have time, right? You might want to come to that. So on Friday tomorrow, just 5 to 5:30, guys. We'll do it quickly. Okay, that's monster trade. That's our round table. Our round table. All right. A lot of activities, guys, in the markets. All right. You guys see that. All the markets are moving right now. Okay. We don't even have time to go through all the systems. That's how much activity we've got. Okay. Even in ETFs, we're gonna start looking at Monster ETF. I know we're missing opportunities there. But we'll start we started looking at options again. There's more, not options, but bonds. So all these markets are moving, a lot of opportunity. I'm trying to find Monster ETF here. Yeah, I'll find it on here. All right. But anyway, guys, hey, have a good weekend. I'll see everyone on Sunday. All right. Or beginning traders, I'll see you guys on Saturday for our webinar at 11. That's 11 a.m. All right, Eastern time. And then our traders, all right, existing traders, see you guys tomorrow for a roundtable. All right, guys, take care. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for coming. Take care. Bye bye.